Patay na ang Supreme Leader ng Iran pero hindi pa tapos ang laban. Ayon kay US President Donald Trump, patuloy ang opensiba nila ng Israel hanggat hindi napupulbos ang missile capabilities ng Tehran. Ang detalye sa agenda report ni Francis Folve.
Walang patid ang atake ng Amerika at Israel sa Iran.
This was our last best chance to strike what we're doing right now and eliminate the intolerable threats posed by this sick and sinister regime.
Pangunahing objective ng Operation Epic Fury ang sirain ng missile capabilities ng Tehran.
An Iranian regime armed with long-range missiles and nuclear weapons would be an intolerable threat to the Middle East, but also to the American people, our country itself.
Walang patid din ang ganti ng Iran sa US target sa Gulf region. Isa sa mga pinakahuling tinamaan ng drone strike sa Tehran ang US Embassy sa Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Daan-daan ang naiulat na namatay sa opensiba ng Amerika at Israel sa Iran. Kabilang ang Supreme Leader ng Iran na si Ayatollah Ali Khamenei at ilan pang matataas na opisyal. Ngayong patay na si Khamenei, nasa kamay na raw ng Iranians ang kanilang kinabukasan.
Now, of course, it's up to the people of Iran in the final count to change the government. But we are creating, America and Israel together are creating the conditions for them to do so. It may take some time, but it's not going to take years. It's not an endless war. In fact, it's an effort right now to achieve the peace that we all yearn and pray for.
Ilang US service members na rin ang nasawi sa gera.
Today we grieve for the 4 heroic American service members who have been killed in action and send our love and support to their families. In their memory, we continue this mission with ferocious, unyielding resolve to crush the threat this terrorist regime poses to the American people.
At handa raw magpadala ng ground troops si US President Trump sa Iran kung kinakailangan. Para sa agenda, Francis Polbe, Billionaire News Channel.
Manatiling nakatutok sa Billionaire News Channel. Sumubaybay sa aming social media accounts at mag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel para sa mga eksklusibong balita at storya.